Hi, second hour. I just wanted to touch base real fast because yesterday your class got really interrupted with the whole technology crashing and Schoology wasn't working, internet wasn't working here. I could see that you guys were having issues, but I couldn't respond. So I just wanted to let you know everything is fixed. The survey was an oops. Another class actually got in on the wrong side of it and kind of went through and changed all of everything. So it was a hot mess. And I had to go back in and redo all of it. So it should be good to go for you now. And then in addition, there were some link issues, I think, with the Getting Around Schoology, and that one's really important. I want you to put that one at the top of the list today to watch that one. And then the part 1 of Getting to Know Mrs. Johnson, I believe, was being fussy too. That one's not near as important as the Getting Around Schoology. So I would go ahead and experiment with the Schoology one today. It walks you through all of the things in my Schoology, and it actually has you practice them. So go ahead and do that. You guys are doing a great job using the question board. That's exactly what I want you to do. I would encourage you to use that over emailing me, because then everybody can see the answer much more quickly than what I can respond to each one of you individually. So go to the question board just like you've been doing. That's perfect. And then tomorrow, let's see, is that right? Tomorrow for second hour, I have to check my calendar really quickly, no, you guys are on Friday. So Friday, we will have our Google Meet together. So make sure you mark that on your calendar. Be checking that calendar. We are 9:15 for our Google Meet on Friday. All right. So have a great Wednesday. Just kind of finish watching a few of those videos. It shouldn't take very long at all, so that we are good to jump into doing more fun stuff, actually art stuff, on Friday. All right. Have a great day, you guys.